Hola and welcome to Kim at Home. In today's video, I have all kinds of great motivation for you. I'll definitely be doing like cleaning, deep cleaning, organizing, all kinds of stuff. So welcome if you are new. If this is the first time you've been on my channel, hey, I am Kim, K-Y-M. This is my home. I'll show you around to certain areas that I'm gonna handle today. My whole channel content is basically to help you keep your house clean throughout the week so you're not spending your entire weekend cleaning. No one has time for that. We are supposed to be spending time with our families, friends, whomever, our pets, whatever. They're part of our family, right? If you enjoy that type of content, please do not forget to hit subscribe, the bell, and show that like button some love as well.
I've been thinking about your smile. I've been thinking that I can't let you go. Hey, can you wait a little while? Why we're holding back, I don't know. I guess I'm all confused about you. You're my one temptation.
Here is what it is looking like. This was all over the floor. Despite the floor looking clean, it really wasn't. Anyway, I say this in every single video, but make sure that you disinfect the dustpan after use. Now I'll be working on cleaning all the doors on the second floor. How often are you cleaning your doors? Leave a comment down below. Also, I wanted to tell you that I went to Lowe's, one of my favorite stores, and I purchased the Method Antibacterial. There was a 3-pack for $7.97. Now I understand why there was a 3-pack for $7.97. This stuff leaves such a large film on everything that you're cleaning, as well as streak. What I've been having to do is every time I use it, I have to go back behind it and wipe it with something else like vinegar. But I also wanted to say that this cleaner, you must leave it on your surface for like 10 minutes in order for the cleaner to work. So let me know if you've used this before, and if you have, do you like it? When I'm wiping the door down, I wipe down the door, the handle, the frame around the door, and the very top of the door. Just make sure you're wiping the entire door. There's no sense in cleaning one area and not cleaning the entire part of that area. Work smart, not hard.
Okay, 'cause every pleasure's got an inch of pain. Maybe I'm indifferent. Maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play this game. Maybe I'm indifferent. Maybe Here is my next destination. Let me show you what this mirror is looking like up close.
Do you see all of the dirt? Well, like splashes, I guess.
Stop 'cause I'm not okay. I want you here forever. I want you here with me. Oh, what a life. Oh, what a life. Oh, what.
Here is what the sink is looking like. Not too bad. I had sprayed everything down when I sprayed the bathroom door in my bathroom with the antibacterial. As I mentioned before, you have to leave the antibacterial on the surface for 10 minutes in order for it to work. So when I sprayed the bathroom door in my bathroom, I went around the house and sprayed all the doors and everything else that I wanted to clean with the actual cleaner. That way, when I got to that area, I would be ready to go. I will say that it does dry up really fast. So again, I had to like go over it with vinegar. I don't remember how that was arranged, but I mean, it looks fine to me. So my duties in the bathroom are done. I wiped down everything. I wiped the toilet down too, but I didn't do it on camera. My daughter will be cleaning out her own bathtub. She will be sweeping and mopping her own floors as well. This is what the floors look like. Okay, the next thing on my agenda was to kind of like wipe down in my youngest daughter's room, you know, like dusting and cleaning off the mirrors. So let me show you what I'm working with. Let me know if your kids' rooms look like this. That is the mirror that I was going to clean. What do we have on the floor over here? Yeah, this is what I'm dealing with. I'm cleaning the mirrors down with spray away glass cleaner, and I will be cleaning everything else, all the other surfaces, with vinegar. I'm really glad that I came in here because her pillows really need to be washed. I will be putting them in the bathtub and allowing them to soak. This mirror was no joke. I feel like it had coats of dirt on it from like 1952, so it took a lot of muscle and a lot of spray away glass cleaner to get it cleaned off. My 11-year-old is in this phase of doing her own hair, so there was like hair products all over her dresser. It was just crazy. So I'm really, really glad that I came in here to get everything disinfected and taken care of. And just by getting those little things done, the room looks so much better. I've been wanting to paint this fireplace TV stand for a very long time. We're supposed to hang her TV on the wall, but if you guys have been here for a while, you know that my drywall is not the best. So we would like prefer a professional to do it, or maybe even my dad. But if that doesn't happen soon, I'm just gonna go ahead and just remove the TV off of the stand and get it painted. What are your suggestions on the color? Leave a comment down below. Be sure you're disinfecting your remote controls, door handles, and also your light switches. So I did not clean her room, but I did get up all the trash because I don't like bugs. And you know, wrappers and trash and all that great stuff, it does attract bugs. So all I did was clean, let me show you. I cleaned off her dresser because I needed to clean it anyway. And then the television, the TV, and her fireplace TV stand were cleaned off as well. Don't forget, anytime that you need to wipe your TV off, you should really read the manual to make sure that you can actually spray the glass cleaner on the TV. This is the only TV in the house where you can actually spray glass cleaner, so that is the reason why I sprayed it. Every other TV, you just have to spray it on the rag first and then wipe off. Here's what the room is looking like now that she has cleaned it. I will say that is not her bedding. She stole that from me. It's old bedding that I had, so it kind of looks crazy on her bed, considering she has a full-size bed and I have a king-size bed. So now I'm gonna organize. I'm trying to organize one area in my home per week. That's pretty simple for me, and there's no pressure. I like to do things at my own pace. So much better. In my last video, I organized my dresser drawer. So basically everything in my bedroom is organized with an exception of my closet. Ooh wee, that closet is a hot mess. The drawers look good, okay? I'm excited. Make sure that you acknowledge your wins and celebrate them. This may seem like something minute to you guys, but for me, your girl has organized chaos, as you guys see all the time. So I'm excited my drawers still look good. It's only been like a week though. How are you guys doing today? What have you been up to? Leave me a comment down below. I am so thankful that all of you are here. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. That means so much to me. I have a few quotes that I read that I would like to share with you. The first one is, let your unique awesomeness and your positive energy inspire confidence in other people. When you have a lot of things that need to go downstairs, get a basket or a bag or something. The second quote is, wherever you go, no matter the weather, bring your own sunshine. The third one says, if you want light in your life, you have to stand where it's shining. I like that last quote, but I would say just be the light. You be the one that's shining. You be unique. You stand out. And also be sure to say your affirmations because they really do help. With water and vinegar. These are chicken tenders. They have been marinating in the Tuscan Italian dressing, and I also put, my seasonings on it. So I'm about to make this. My last O-Cedar mop was 2 years old, so I had to get a new one. I'm about to show you guys what the food was looking like. I already started eating. This is my second plate. So we have the chicken, the broccoli, and then we have a baked sweet potato. Do you guys remember my bathroom project that I did with the stencil? So there are a lot of places that I need to touch up because some of the paint got into other spots. So I'm going to do that right now. If you've been here for a while, you already know your girl is a sloppy painter. So I had to make sure these touch-ups got handled. I have touched up all of the places. It kind of looks like it's off, obviously, because the paint is fresh and the paint that's on the wall is not fresh. So I'm waiting for it to dry because I'm gonna have to redo this part up here. But yeah, I'm extremely hot. But this was the weekend that I wanted to get all kinds of different things done, and I did. So I'm really, really happy about it. Yeah, I had a whole bunch of unfinished projects. Let me know down in the comments if you're a person who finishes projects, or 95% of the project is finished and then you have to come back and do it. Well, I had 3 projects like that. So I wanted to get that taken care of. It's really hot in this bathroom. So I walk in my room and my husband wants to rearrange things. But prior to rearranging, I had already said that I wanted to clean the carpets upstairs on the second floor, so he's going to handle that for me. With this contraption, all you have to do is fill it up to the line and then place your cleaning products in there. I always put vinegar in my carpet cleaner just because in case there's a smell. You know how like when you do your floors and there's a weird smell? This prevents that smell from occurring. Is what we are looking like. This little contraption here is an additional air conditioner. We have central air, but we are above our garage, so it's really hot. But that's what we're looking like so far. Now you wanna party, it's late. I'm totally obsessed with the vacuum lines. Even though it's not a vacuum, it's a carpet cleaner. Let me know if you are that type of person too. Just like to see vacuum lines. For me, it just like turns up your room. It makes it look so clean. 1,000 cords. The desk has been moved. Pillows everywhere, and he's doing a switcheroo. My husband finished the entire room. It looks really good. It smells good too. Let me show you guys what this water is looking like from the carpet cleaner. That is what just came off of my bedroom floors. That's so gross. I just want to point out how everyone makes fun of me for being a vinegar freak, but look what vinegar did. This spider could have ended up in my bed, in my kid's bed. It could have bit us, but it's dead because of the vinegar. Hopefully this video doesn't get demonetized. This date is July 4th. We went swimming at my parents' house for the majority of the day, and then we decided to come home and have a cookout. Which is why I'm dressed the way that I am. It's my swimsuit cover, and I just changed my clothes because I wanted to hurry up and get everything grilled and then take a shower after that. Nobody wants to smell like the grill. At least I don't, because it gets all in your hair and everything. It's just not, it's not good. Thank you again for taking the time to watch my video. I hope all of you have an amazing day. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Show that like button some love as well, as it really helps my channel. Thank you again for being here. Bye guys.